So let me show you how to make a widget transparent on a Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, whether it's on the main home screen inside or on the cover screen, you can actually make a widget transparent so that it doesn't obstruct the wallpaper. So let's go to the main settings. And we're going to the main settings because we're going to work on, or we're going to make a cover screen widget transparent. So let's go to settings, and then let's go to cover screen, tap on that, and then go to widgets, and then select the widget you want to make transparent. So I'm going to pick this calendar widget. Okay, so what you need to do is simply tap on that widget. And once you tap on it, you can see you have the option to disable the background. So when you turn the background off, that widget is now transparent, as you can see. So tap on save. And then now let's go and have a look at the widget on the cover screen. So lock the phone, and you can see our widget is now transparent. So that's basically how to make widgets transparent on the cover screen of a Galaxy Z Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.